The next topic to this is when we do a DR, your production can be all flash. Normally the dependency is if you have all flash in your environment, in the customer environment, you have to have all flash onto the DR also. What we are doing is we are moving your all flash data into a hybrid data at the DR side. Okay? So a same operating system on top of it, my data is moved from all flash to the backend DR, which is a hybrid array. That way, I'm reducing your cost for the DR. You don't have to have all flash sitting in the DR, just sitting idle over there. Okay? And then when we see a tiered architecture for your customers, this is what we normally see. You have tier 3 for tape or disaster recovery. What we are saying is you can take a snapshot and do a DR, just replicate your data from the snapshot itself and do a cloning also. So your test and development can be taken care by clones itself. This is again snapshot based cloning. It is not the exact replica of your data. So it is a snapshot based cloning we do. Your test and development, you can get it from here itself. So completely unique technology in itself. Resiliency wise, we support 6-9 support. So we are the maximum resiliency we give. We give 3 disk failure protection. So in any case, in a standard RAID configuration, you get 2 disk failure protection. We are giving 3 drive failure protection with by default array. So any array and every array what we support gives 3 drive failure in a RAID group. By default protection that way. Absolutely everything is integrated in the software itself. So operating system will have snapshot, cloning, clean provisioning, compression, deduplication, replication, encryption at rest, everything is as a part of the operating system. So there is no software licenses required to use those kind of features in your environment. All the features are by default part of the operating system. And then we do a encryption. So basically you can select a volume and you can enable the encryption without having any impact to your performance. Absolutely no extra hardware required for enabling this encryption at your customer's environment. Arrays or the product lines, we have 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 7,000 and 9,000. The basic difference here is we are talking about is we talked about IOPS. So every array, every box, every system will be related to some IOPS number, which is not possible in a traditional approach. So day 1, you will get this kind of IOPS. We are talking about 35,000 host IOPS. We are talking about 90,000 host IOPS, 120,000, 230,000, 300,000 host IOPS on day 1, irrespective of your capacity. You can start as small as 11 TB, you can go up to 1.4 petabyte, your IOPS remains same.